Hey guys, we're up here in beautiful St. Augustine. We're gonna help some friends move this 100-foot gullet from St. Augustine to Palm Beach Gardens.
In just a second, we're gonna give you a quick boat tour of this beautiful beast.
And it could be yours for a week or a month. It's gonna be on charter down in beautiful Costa Rica. So come along with us.
Hey, we're supposed to be doing a boat tour.
All right. Yes, so. Okay, we're here. Captain wants the captain.
Great job.
6 more paces.
Well, I have just walked the plank where so many people ended up their lives. Hopefully not on this boat.
I don't know if you guys saw that in her beautiful walk up the deck. She was looking like supermodel and was attacked by a bag of cables. And we haven't left the dock yet. Oh, and also yesterday, getting on the boat, her boat shoes slipped and 1 foot went in the water. Luckily, I was holding on to her.
Yeah, you know, guys, it's because those Sperry shoes, I was not wearing them during our refit because I was hoping when we go sailing I will have a new Sperry shoe. Guess what? The rubber got old and now I can't wear them. They're super slippery. I have to throw them away.
They're like ice skates. So grand entrance to the boat. Hi,
Yes.
I'm Yana.
Nice to meet you. All right, so you're going to talk about the boat.
Yeah. So we're going to start with the foredeck, which is huge, and then take you to the aft and then down below. Huge hydraulic, windlass, 200-pound anchor, chain, bowsprit, electric furlers. The boat is very well set up for sailing plan, and with a huge foredeck, you can have a party of 60 up here. Table and seating fit for a king and a queen. Imagine taking that bowsing chair up to the top, 90-foot steel masts. Amazing sail plan.
The boat has a very nice protective high railing, so you're not gonna fall if you're not dumb. And this cool ladder goes on the side of the boat, and then you can come with a dinghy and board the ship like a pirate. Wow! Look at all of these toys up there. That's what I need. With my paddle boards, kayak. Cool. That's for sure set up for charter. Ferry is huge. Well, this is my favorite location. Look at the screening. So they protect you from the sun, but they still allow the wind to come through and have a very nice breeze in this cool area. Plus, this is a perfect 2 little areas to be able to like chill a little bit and still visit with your friends and family.
This back area, little wet bar for your scotch on the rocks. Take care of your clients. It has a screen for presentations. And the great thing is the captain, when underway, can just reach over here and get his Jack Daniels and slam it down and put it back again. What more could you ask for?
Wow, that's nice. Did I just said that that was my favorite area? Well, I just changed my mind.
Welcome aboard. Would you like to have wine, champagne, fresh espresso, or would you like to come down the galley and grab an ice cold Red Bull? Anything for you on this boat.
I thought you were gonna say, oh, you're gonna come down and lay down in the bed or something like that.
Well, that's coming. That's after the wine. Now, this is Yana's favorite room, for sure, the galley.
I might like the galley on our boat, but that's definitely not my favorite area on this boat.
And this is my favorite room, the man cave. Naturally, the engine room, where everybody has to spend time. Great galley, down low.
It is very cold here. It's surprising how once you move to the down below level, at least 10 degrees difference.
What's amazing in this boat is that once you get down in the lower levels, there's no air conditioning and the boat is really cool. And it's almost 85 outside and bright sun. So the boat is pretty neat the way it's designed as far as being comfortable without air conditioning and fans running all the time.
Wow. William, have you seen how thick this boat is? That's crazy. Oh wow, we can actually walk here.
Now this is a dream. Look at this place. Full access to the engine, everything open for view, water maker, all of the inverters, batteries. Definitely you can get work done down here without messing up the rest of the boat and have storage.
That would be nice to have on the Dawn Hunter, so you can put all your 500,000 spares in here instead of scavenging them all over the boat.
We're not going to start over. Now from the galley, we have a choice. Master staterooms or guest staterooms. Let's take a walk up to the forward bow cabins.
Oh, let's look at this. So there are 5 cabins in front. Each of them has its own bathroom and a shower. You guys can see. Very nice. Already set up. Plenty of storage down below the bed. And there is also here for your clothes. A couple of things here and the mirror, and let's see the bathroom. The head. Professional terms here.
All the main ship systems are here with the switches, the breakers, the lights, the inverters, air conditioning master. Each cabin has air conditioning. And it also has newer style battery monitors. So also what makes this unique is behind are the additional breakers and wiring. So if you have to access an actual breaker for the system, it's right behind the electrical panel, well laid out. So very simplistic for getting the systems on and operating. Let's take a walk down to the master cabin locations. Here we have a cabin 2 and 3 on each side before we get to the master. And then the captain's quarters. Beautiful, airy, open, light, portholes open, windows to the back, and a nav station along with all the boat documents. Well, I think we've got an issue with the captain.
Sitting, they got the point on the other side of the stem. What I can't figure out is a simple thing.
So what's left on the boat before we can leave safely?
You know, a 100-foot boat. We've been working quite a bit getting it ready. Now, for today, we're going to start checking systems.
Nice sliding windows. Nice sliding windows. You're not gonna record.